March 25th, 1911. Washington Place, Manhattan. On the 8th floor of the Ash Building, sewing machines hum through the last hour of a Saturday shift. Nearly 500 workers, most of them young immigrant women, bend over cloth at the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. Scrap bins overflow with cotton and tissue paper. At 4:40 in the afternoon, someone smells smoke. A cutter's bin has caught fire, likely from a dropped match or cigarette. The flames spread fast, feeding on fabric and paper dust. Workers grab fire pails, but the water does nothing. Within minutes, the 8th floor is engulfed. Word races upward. On the 9th and 10th floors, workers realize too late what is happening below them. Then comes the detail that will define the tragedy for a century. The stairwell doors are locked. Management locked them from the outside, a common practice meant to stop theft and unauthorized breaks. Workers pound on the metal, but it will not give. Some reach the one open stairwell and escape down into the street. Others crowd toward the fire escape, a flimsy iron structure bolted to the building's rear. It buckles and tears away under the weight, dropping people to the alley below. On the street, passers-by watch in horror as workers appear at the 9th floor windows.
Firemen arrive with ladders, but the ladders reach only to the 6th floor. Life nets are stretched below, but bodies falling from that height tear straight through them. Witnesses describe a sound none of them ever forget. Bodies striking the pavement, one after another, faster than anyone can count. By the time the fire is out, 146 people are dead, most of them women between the ages of 14 and 23. It is one of the deadliest industrial disasters in American history. Investigators find the exits chained, the fire escape inadequate.
The building itself, technically legal under the fire codes of the time. Public outrage is immediate. Tens of thousands march in the rain for a mass funeral procession. A young state official named Frances Perkins watches the fire from the street below. She later calls it the day the New Deal began. Factory owners Max Blanck and Isaac Harris are charged with manslaughter. In December 1911, a jury acquits them both. Civil suits later award victims' families $75 per life lost. What nobody expects is what the insurance records show. The owner's fire insurance payout covers more than the value of everything destroyed. The Triangle Fire becomes the reason for New York's first real workplace safety laws, for fire drills, sprinklers, and unlocked doors. The owners collected more from insurance than they lost.